Hey everyone! Today, we're taking a closer look at KuCoin, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges out there. 1. Introduction to KuCoin. KuCoin is a global cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2017, and it's quickly become one of the most popular platforms for crypto traders around the world. Often called the People's Exchange, KuCoin aims to make trading accessible to everyone, from beginners to experienced traders. With over 700 different cryptocurrencies available, KuCoin provides a wide array of options for those looking to buy, sell, and trade digital assets. The platform is available in more than 200 countries, offering both spot and futures trading, along with margin trading and staking. 2. Wide range of cryptocurrencies. One of the main attractions of KuCoin is the sheer variety of cryptocurrencies available. With more than 700 different coins and tokens, including popular options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and smaller altcoins, KuCoin gives users a chance to explore and invest in both established and emerging assets. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto portfolio or discover the next big thing, KuCoin's broad selection makes it a great platform for all types of traders. KuCoin also regularly lists new projects, giving users early access to innovative cryptocurrencies. 3. Trading features and tools. KuCoin offers a wide range of trading features that cater to all types of users. For more experienced traders, KuCoin provides spot trading, margin trading, and futures trading, with various order types like limit, market, and stop orders. KuCoin's futures trading allows you to trade with leverage, amplifying your potential gains, but also increasing the risk. The platform also supports trading bots, which can automate your trades based on preset strategies. Whether you're a day trader or prefer a long-term approach, KuCoin's suite of tools helps you execute your strategy efficiently. KuCoin's user interface is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for beginners while offering advanced features for more seasoned traders. 4. KuCoin Earn, Staking and Lending. KuCoin is more than just a trading platform, it also offers passive income opportunities through KuCoin Earn. KuCoin Earn allows users to stake their crypto assets and earn rewards in return, making it a great option for those who want to grow their holdings without actively trading. KuCoin also offers a lending program where you can lend your crypto to other traders and earn interest on it. This feature is ideal for users who want to make their assets work for them, providing a steady stream of income while they hold on to their investments. KuCoin Earn includes both flexible and fixed-term options, allowing you to choose between higher liquidity or better returns. 5. Security and customer support. Security is a top priority for KuCoin, and they use multiple layers of protection to keep users' funds and data safe. These include industry-standard encryption, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and regular security audits. Despite suffering a significant hack in 2020, KuCoin quickly recovered and reimbursed affected users, demonstrating their commitment to protecting customer assets. KuCoin also provides 24/7 customer support through live chat and email, ensuring that users can get help whenever they need it. Their support team is responsive and knowledgeable, which is crucial in the fast-moving world of crypto trading. Overall, KuCoin provides a powerful and accessible platform for both new and experienced crypto traders. Like and subscribe for more related content.